A businessman from Shanxi bought this Mercedes-Benz S400, a luxury sedan that once cost over $1 million. Over the years, it had been worked on by several mechanics, but none of them managed to solve its problems. After watching our restoration videos, the owner asked us to give the car one more chance. When we inspected it, we found a worn-out interior, faded paint, and an engine that was burning oil badly. In all honesty, most people would not recommend restoring a car in this condition, but the owner was determined, and he even wanted to upgrade it to S480 specifications. Since he had that much confidence in us, there was only one thing left to do: take on the challenge. First, let's see if it will start. Luckily, the engine still starts. That's already a good sign. No point overthinking it now. The best way to find every problem is to tear it down and inspect everything properly. Painting a car body involves 4 main stages: epoxy primer, primer surfacer, base coat, and finally the clear coat. Each layer plays an important role in ensuring durability, protection, and a flawless finish. For this restoration, all paint materials are premium B, ASF, glasurit water-based paints, ensuring excellent color accuracy, durability, and a high-quality factory-like finish. With all the preparation work completed and every process finished, it's finally time to reinstall all the parts and begin the final assembly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.